beautiful to come here, see the land, see the energy and the vibe of the place. And yeah, I'm really excited.
I see the vibe in your body, man.
I'm really excited. I'm really excited to develop here. I look forward to the community that we're building.
So how much are you getting from my memory?
Goodness.
How much are you getting from
Goodness. One plot.
One plot,
to
yeah.
start with. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, for making a point. I mean, it's a good choice that you made.
Thank you so
congrats.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Congrats a lot.
And
I'm
then
excited.
yeah, and then also the size of the plots. You definitely saw pictures before you got here.
Yeah,
But
I saw.
in person, what is it? Do the pictures do justice? How do you feel about the size?
Yeah, no, the
in
pictures
person?
definitely do justice. I think seeing it in person, I think being able to walk around the whole like circumference of the lot was good, because then I can start to like plan out, okay, this is where I want the courtyard to be, this is where I want the houses, the rooms will be this size, and like I've got just below one plot, and I think I can definitely build a nice set of quarters, maybe 2 floors, keep it cool.
Something simple.
Something cool.
Yeah, something cool. Yeah.
I'm excited.
Something for the girls. Yeah.
Something for the boys.
Yeah, something for the boys. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
you
Thanks
so
for
much.
coming.
Thank you.
It's always a pleasure when we bring people here to see their land for the first time. And yeah, all right. We're looking forward to the next. Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm honestly, I'm happy.
I said that earlier.
Relaxed. I'm chilled. I'm at home.